So this apartment is going to be the layout similar to apartment number 110. We just can't get into 110 quite yet. It's the Lotus layout. So in this one, you'll see both of the bedrooms are connected with the bathroom and closet as like a suite.
Okay.
We have the kitchen, all the appliances come included. There's an ice maker and a freezer.
Good.
All of the cabinets are soft close, and then you have a working island too with cabinets and everything on the other side.
Very nice. And the
And
dishwasher.
while we're over here too, this closet here is full-size washer and dryer.
Oh, okay. Great.
And that'll be standard in any apartment too, so it'll still be in the same place,
Okay.
have the same size and everything.
And what's behind door number 2?
This one is just your utility closet,
Okay.
so it stays locked. And
Oh,
then
okay.
this one is just an extra coat closet or storage space, whatever you need it for.
Great.
Yeah. And then on this side is considered the true master in this setup. So it's got the fan, bedroom, and then it's connected with the bathroom and closet on the other side.
It's a pretty spacious bathroom.
Yes.
Got some shelving.
And this one has a stand-up shower, and the other bedroom has a bathtub.
Full tile. Great.
And then walk-in closet.
That's a big closet too.
Yes. Lots of storage in here for sure.
That's nice. Okay. And a nice big window, which is very nice. Actually, I'm gonna just get a quick view of what it looks like outside.
Open it over for you.
Oh, that's nice.
So this one is looking out into one of our courtyard spaces. So
Nice.
you have this little walkway, benches, and a fireplace out here too. And this connects down to the green belt over here on this side
Very
as well.
nice. Love it.
The one thing to consider in this setup is that it doesn't have a balcony. So that's the one thing between the two different apartments.
The Lotus does not have a
Doesn't have a
balcony.
balcony, right?
Okay.
You'll see that you have a little bit of a bigger living area because you're not setting up anything outside.
Okay.
And then on
Okay.
the other side, you essentially have the same setup. Bedroom, bathroom, this one has the tub, and then the closet.
Okay. So, am I understanding that the Lotus is the one with the more square footage?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, the Lotuses are a little bit larger too because of the way that they're set up.
Okay. And there's the full bathtub. Now, you mentioned that the other one was the true master suite. What would make that
It's
the
got
case?
the fan,
Oh,
fixture,
okay.
and it's got the shower, which is just considered why it's the true master. But space-wise, they're the same amount of space. You're not, sacrificing anything from being in one. It's more of a personal preference if you want the
Okay.
shower versus the tub.
Gotcha.
But yeah,
and
bedroom
there's-
size and everything is very similar as well. So
Great.
this layout tends to be very common for roommates because it splits the space very evenly.
Okay.
Having your own bedroom and bathroom.
Yeah, on separate sides of the apartment. Yeah, that's very, very good to note.
Yeah, the dishwasher and everything in the island there as well. I'm not sure if I mentioned that.
Yep, we got that.
Lots of cabinet space, lots of storage, so there's definitely a lot of space in this one.
Very nice.
And this one is actually smaller square footage wise than the other one as well, so keep that in mind too, that what you're seeing here is just the smaller version. What you would actually be getting, there's a little bit more room in the living areas too, so.
Gotcha, but it's still the Lotus.
Yeah, still the Lotus.
Okay.
This one, it's just a little bit more narrow.
Okay.
Whereas the other one, you'll feel it's a little bit more wider.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. All right, we'll head to the next one.